In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in Odoo. Changing font color in Odoo can mean a few different things depending on where you're working, but in this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on changing text color on your website using the Odoo website builder. The good news is that for this method, you do not need to write any code. Odoo gives you simple visual tools that make this quick and easy. To begin, open your Odoo website and click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode so you can make visual changes directly on the site. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the section of the page where the text appears that you want to update. Next, highlight the specific text you want to change. As soon as you select the text, a floating toolbar will appear. This toolbar includes several formatting options, and the one you're looking for is the text color icon. It's usually shown as the letter A with a colored bar underneath. Click that icon to open the color options. From here, you can choose a preset theme color if you want to keep your design consistent with the rest of your website. This is often the best option if you're working within an existing brand style. If you need something more specific, you can also use the color picker to choose a custom color, including entering a hex color code. That gives you more control if you already know the exact shade you want to use. If your goal is not just to change one piece of text, but to control the colors used across your entire website, Odoo also lets you manage this globally. While still in edit mode, look for the Theme tab in the sidebar. Open that, then click on Colors. This section allows you to define your site-wide color palette. This is especially useful because any text elements using styles like primary or secondary will automatically update throughout the website when you adjust those theme colors. In other words, instead of manually changing every text block one by one, you can make a single update and keep everything visually consistent. As a helpful tip, use individual text color changes for small exceptions, but use the theme color settings when you want a cleaner and more scalable design system. That approach will save time and make future edits much easier. That's how to change font color in Odoo using the website builder.